Hello everyone, welcome in the general knowledge class, standard 4. Today we will study page number 35 and 36. The page number 35 is regarding the India overview. So let us study about India overview. Now in this chapter we will study that there are some rivers are there, some oceans are there, some states are there, and some speciality is also there regarding the different states. Look here, I am showing the India map of the India and the neighboring countries, and some oceans, seas are there. We will study about each one separately. The name of the chapter is India Overview, and in this chapter we will study the in your exercise it is the tick the correct answer. Some options are given, you have to tick the correct answer from the options given. So let us start with the sentence number 1. Our first question is, India shares a common border with two countries in the northwest. Be careful, in the northwest they ask, which two countries share the border with India? One is Pakistan and name the other. The name of one country is given and you have to find out the name of the another country who is sharing the border with us in the northwest side. Now the first one is UAE. The full form of UAE is United Arab Emirates. Now the next option is Afghanistan. And the next one is, the last one is China. We have three options: UAE, Afghanistan and China. I'll show you, you will find out who is sharing the border with us. Look here, the map of India. This is the place Pak occupied Kashmir. This is Jammu Kashmir, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and this side is China, our neighboring countries. But you have to find out only in the northwest. One is Pakistan and the another is Afghanistan. I think all of you understand from this map who is the second neighboring country in the northwest is Afghanistan. You have to tick mark the correct option, which is the correct. You have to put the tick mark. All of you understand, I think. The question is, India share a common border with two countries in the northwest. One is Pakistan, name the another. The another is Afghanistan. Now the next one is, the name of which mountain range in the north means the adobe of snow in Sanskrit. In Sanskrit, it is called the adobe of snow. Which mountain? You have to write the name of the mountain. Which mountain is called the adobe of snow? Now let us see the option. The options, first option is Aravalli and the next option is Himalayas and the next option is Satpura. I'll show you the picture also, from it might be very clear to all of you. See, this is snow. This is called the adobe of snow. So which is the correct option? The correct option is Himalaya. This is Himalaya. The Himalaya is called the adobe of snow in Sanskrit. So now the next one is, the greater Himalayas are called Himadri and the middle Himalayas are called Himachal. And what are the lower Himalayas called? The Himalaya is divided into the three parts: Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya and the Lower Himalaya. Here are the options. The first option is Shivaliks, next option is Gangotri and the third one is Gulmarg. Now come to the image for more clarity. Look here. This is the lower Himalayas. So what is the lower Himalayas called? The lower Himalayas are called Shivaliks. What is the correct answer? Shivalik is the correct answer. Now at the sentence number 4, the question number 4 is Pahalgam and Gulmarg are hill stations in which Indian state? So you have to tell that which Indian states the Pahalgam and Gulmarg are. You have to write the name of the state. The options are Himachal Pradesh, and the next option is Uttarakhand, and the last one is Jammu and Kashmir. I'll show you the image from it. It's more clarity to you. Look here. This is Jammu and Kashmir. Actually, this is the picture of Jammu and Kashmir. And in Jammu and Kashmir, the Pahalgam and Gulmarg both are there. So the correct answer from this all are Jammu and Kashmir. Now the next one is the Yamuna River joins the Ganga River near Allahabad. Yamuna River joins the Ganga River near Allahabad. What is this place called? Means where the Yamuna and Ganga River join. So what is that place called? Where it is joining? Is it joining in the Haridwar or in Amarnath, or the third option is Sangam? I'll show you, it will give you more clarity. Look here in this picture, it's very clear. This is Yamuna River and this is Ganga River. See the difference in the water color is also there. And these two rivers are joining at one place, and the name of that place is Sangam. What is the name of that place? Sangam. At Sangam, Ganga River and Yamuna River both are joining with each other. The correct answer is Sangam. The next is, if you are visiting the Amar Jawan Jyoti, at which Indian monument would you be? Where you will find the Amar Jawan Jyoti. The Amar Jawan Jyoti is a Jyoti which is 24 hours burning. So where is it is? It is in the Gateway of India, or Red Fort, or India Gate. Where is Amar Jawan Jyoti from these three options? I'll show you the image, the picture, you can recognize from it. Where is it? At this place, the Amar Jawan Jyoti is burning 24 hours. So where you find this place? The correct answer is, I think you recognize, it is India Gate. In India Gate, the Amar Jawan Jyoti is there in the memories of those who have given the sacrifice for the Jawans, for the country. They sacrificed their life for giving them homage. The Amar Jawan Jyoti is there. Now the next one is, if you are visiting the Kovalam beach, all of you know the beach? The name of the beach is Kovalam Beach. In which Indian state would you be? Means if you are at the Kovalam Beach, you are at which state of India? Means Kovalam Beach belongs to which state? The options are here. The first is Kerala, and the next is Tamil Nadu, and the next is Odisha. Now I'll show you Kovalam Beach. Look here, so beautiful beach. This is the Kovalam Beach. Now when you are at the Kovalam Beach, this beach, Kovalam Beach, is in which state of India? The correct answer is Kerala. The Kovalam Beach is in Kerala. Now the next and the last one is, a large salt marsh lies to the south of the Thar Desert. What is it called? I'll show you the correct options. Three options are there. You have to find out the appropriate option. First is River Luni. Next is Run of Kutch. The next is Chambal Valley. I'll show you the picture also. It will give you more clarity. Already it is written there. It's cheating for you because already I have given the name here. The correct answer is Rann of Kutch. So this is the place, Rann of Kutch. It is the salt marsh lies to the south of the desert. Clear? Clear to all of you? The correct answer is Rann of Kutch. So from these, when such kind of options are coming, you have to give the correct answer by understanding the question. Options are there, understand the question and find out the correct one. With this, it's over page number 35. Now we will start page number 36. Now on the page number 36, we will see the images of some stars. From the images of the stars, you have to recognize that particular star. You have to give the name of that star. I'll show you some images. The first one is here. Identify some popular faces from the world of entertainment. You have to identify and write the name. The first one is known as the showman of Indian cinema. Who is known as the showman of Indian cinema? Here is the picture. Can you recognize the person? Who is that person? That person is known as the showman of Indian cinema. If you don't recognize, I'll tell you the name. His person's name is Raj Kapoor. Who is this person? Raj Kapoor. He is known as the showman of Indian cinema. Now the next one is, he was the lead actor in the iconic film Titanic. All of you remember the film Titanic, might be you have seen many times. I'll show you the image. Who is the lead actor? Can you recognize this actor? Lead actor in the iconic film Titanic. The name of this actor is Leonardo DiCaprio. Who is this person? Leonardo DiCaprio. Now the next one is, she is the highest paid American actress. Highest paid. You have to remember, highest paid American actress. Who is she? Can you recognize the name? Do you know the name of this person? She is Angelina Jolie. She is the highest paid American actress. Now, the next one is an Indian TV actress turned politician. This might be all of you remember. This TV actress turned politician. First of all, she was TV actress. Now she become the politician. Who is she? I'll show you the picture. I think some students recognize. I'll tell the name also. She is Smriti Irani. First of all, she did roles, very famous roles in the TV. Now she turned to the politics. Now she is very well known politician. Now the next one is an Indian actor who started his acting career from a TV serial Fauji. Who is the TV actor? First of all, he did role in the serial. The name of the serial is Fauji. He did role there. Now he become very famous Indian actor. Here is the image. Look at the picture of this person and recognize. I think all of you know him very well. He is Shah Rukh Khan. Yes, he is Shah Rukh Khan. Now the next one is a popular Canadian singer and songwriter. He is songwriter also and singer also, and he belongs to Canada. Who is that person? Look at the picture, recognize him. If you don't recognize, I'll tell the name of that person. He is Justin Bieber. He is singer also and he is songwriter also. With this, your page number 35 and 36 is over. I think all of you understand it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Do your work according to the work given in the assignment of the book. Fill everything in the book and learn it. Thank you.